Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about my new service cart from Harbor Freight. So let's get into it. All right, here's the big huge box it came in. Just showing you the box. A little bit of the specs if you want to see that. I don't know if you do or not. It does say somewhere on here, right up here, made in China, unfortunately. But whatever. They had it on sale. I don't know when the sale started, but when I found out about it, I went over there and got one. They're $4.99 instead of $6.99. I think it should be a little bit cheaper, maybe like $4.29. That should be the price for it, not the sale price. But anyway, let's move over here to the box and I'll show you it. Okay, this is the box. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's just as tall as the work surface of my Matco box. You know how big that is. But like I said, it's pretty big. Let's open it up. And now I wanted to hurry up and get a video of this because I mentioned it in my updated toolbox tour. I think it was my Snap-on toolbox tour that I was going to get this box and use it as a diag cart. And like I said, I haven't got this full yet. I just put a bunch of stuff in it that was in my other toolbox, the red toolbox that I got rid of. Obviously I didn't put it all in here. I put some of it back in that box because it wasn't all diag stuff. But anyway, let's open it up and check it out. Now, I don't know if it's the toolbox. I didn't really notice it anywhere else in the garage, but it kind of wobbles. I'm sure it's the floor. Anyway, that's nothing really to complain about. But as you can see, I got all my scan tools up here. That's a TPMS tool that came with the scan tool, the Autel. There's my other two little generic code readers. Now, this is going to be kind of a toolbox tour and a review of this toolbox, I guess, all in one. Back there is where you lock your drawers. I like that the lid goes all the way back. Let me back up a little bit. All the way back, standing straight up and down. Where if you wanted to put some kind of little monitor on there, you could. Now these drawers are a little snug because, I guess because it's new, I don't know. But they have that same little plastic thing all the way across, just like the Snap-on box. I'm not going to go over what everything is because I already did that in my other toolbox tour. You can go watch that. But I will show you what I have in it. As you can see, all of this stuff was a little bit more spread out in the red toolbox because the drawer was wider than this one. I guess I'll show you on this drawer. You see how these drawers come all the way out? Actually, that comes out past that drawer. That way you can get to everything in the drawer. That is awesome. They all do that. Anyway, like I said, that magnet there goes to the TPMS tool. Like I said, I'm not going to go over piece by piece what everything is because I've already done that in my other video. So if you want to see that, go watch that video, the Snap-on toolbox tour. And there's a video of the diag stuff, the breakout box and the U-scope and the scanner, the Autel scanner. There's a video of all that you can watch. And like I said, these drawers are still kind of stiff. My power probe, DVOM, soldering iron, old school. Haven't used that in a long time. This stuff here was in my Matco box. I just took a couple things out real quick. Like I said, I still got other stuff in that box I'm going to take out and put in this box because it's basically diag stuff. But I just wanted to put some stuff in it real quick and show y'all what it looks like. Well, I mean, actually I had to put all the other stuff in here because it was in the red box and I don't have it anymore. I think this drawer is empty. Yeah. That's an empty drawer. Like I said, I got some more stuff over there. This is the case from the scan tool. It's still got all the adapters and everything in it, and cords and stuff. I was going to put that box, or case rather, up here, but then I didn't have any room for anything else up there because that case is freaking huge. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. I just wanted to show you. This drawer sounds like it's dragging on something. You hear it? I don't know. I gotta investigate that, see what that's all about. But I just wanted to show you. I forgot to mention, I did have one problem with it. The bolt holes that holds the casters on, it had like a piece of weld slag or something in it, and the bolt wouldn't go in it. So I just took a punch and a hammer and popped it, and it came out, and then the bolt went right in. Other than that drawer sounding like it's dragging on something. It might have a piece of plastic in it or something. But that and the bolt for the caster, that's the only problems I've had. The only thing I've seen wrong with it, and both of them is easily fixed. So caster, it's got some really heavy duty casters on it, and they're pretty big. I didn't really show that, I don't think, but yeah, it's for it to be a U.S. General brand. It seems to be made pretty good. I mean, it don't seem like the same quality as their, what is it, 4-drawer and 5-drawer carts, or even their the 44-inch. All of those seem like they're made out of thinner material than this. This is I could be wrong. It's just me feeling it. This seems to be pretty sturdy. It basically looks almost identical to the Snap-on box or the Matco cart. I'm happy with it so far. I'll let you know if I have any other problems with it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.